Hey guys, I know it's weird about the face thing again, but it happened. There's one girl that really wanted me to do a YouTube video, but it kicked me from the game when I started the video. So, I just finished building this amazing, humongous car. Well, not humongous, but pretty big. And it's easy to drive, not really that easy. Well, it's very hard to turn, but I'm just gonna load what I have so far. There. Also, sometimes I love being solo, cause when other people play, it's always so hard to just get one little thing done, because everybody always goes, okay, ready to go, and then they launch. If you're by yourself, only you get to choose when the boat gets launched, which is good, so you don't get ending up messing up at a random time because somebody launched. Also, guys, you cannot save once the boat is going. So if you want to quickly, oh no, I forgot I can't save. Sorry, you gotta rebuild the whole thing. Which is another reason it is bad to have a partner. I'm sorry, the girl that was playing with me before, I'm not trying to judge you. Because that girl didn't really ever launch. Although I said, you ready to go? And she never responded, so I just launched. She might have been typing a response. I don't know. But she was very nice. Dude, this is not good. Gotta refix this. In this video, I'm not gonna really let anybody on my team unless it's that other girl that was being very kind to me. One thing is, I know she can't be a hacker because she said that she was 1 year younger than me and I'm 9, so she is 8. So it must mean she's either in 3rd or 2nd grade. Just like me. Okay, gotta use different blocks. I'm pretty much out of those blocks. Let's see. Make sure the springs don't break or else that whole thing's gonna collapse. No tires breaking, well, wheels breaking, like a kid could shoot at it and it would hit by the behind, so you also gotta be careful about that. I mean, you never know. It could hit from anywhere. Just wanna make sure it doesn't hit, it could slip right through that first one and then hit this back one. I want to be careful and guard all spots. Because it could shoot straight through here and then make it, oh jeez, I gotta get out of here before I get trapped. I just think it's pretty neat to get this little boat going. Wouldn't it be neat to have a motorboat actually drive in this game? And guys, my old video I was gonna make, it was a fail, so don't try to comment about that other video. I never uploaded it because Brand never made his first video on his new channel. We decided to only use my channel, so guys, you can ignore Brand's old channel. Watch his videos if you want, please. They're very good. I just hope you enjoy them. They're very good. By the look of it, it looks very bad. And one of his FNAF videos is actually kind of bad, because he put a rainbow background to it. Sorry, Brayden. Not. But I'm not kidding, guys. Go check out his channel. It's amazing. But from now on, we're only going to be using my channel, because he doesn't even know how to do the right kind of videos. He's probably going to say he does if he watches this video. But, hey guys, if you want to be a YouTuber, I'm going to tell you a little hack to get subscribers. All you got to do is make your channel, add a new account, make that account subscribe, then delete that account and make a different account, make that account subscribe, then delete it, so you'll just get millions and billions of subscribers. Which is very cool, if you ask me. Why doesn't my touchscreen view changing work? It used to work just fine. I don't know. Once Brandon sees this boat, he's gonna lose his mind. He's a practical noob at this game. He doesn't play it at all. Like, not even for 5 seconds does he play this game. Well, like 5 seconds, sure, but not really much longer than that. He'd rather play, you know, the 2018 games like Fortnite, which is practically all he plays. He sometimes plays different games, but only if he's offline. So if he's online and he got Wi-Fi, he's playing Fortnite. Not if he's offline. If he's online or he got data or Wi-Fi, which he doesn't have data, but he does have Wi-Fi since I'm at my house right now, then he's gonna play Fortnite. This thing is probably getting kind of boring. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. This is not the end of the video. Some people think, oh no, the video's so short. What is this junk? Except my videos are usually like 10-15 minutes. Not really that good. Some of my videos are pretty long, but not by much long. Ugh. The only good use of it is for zooming in. Ugh. How the heck do I even get in here? It's impossible to get in. There. Now I'm gonna hop on these cannons. Hop up there. Ugh. I need to fix this. Micro profile. I did not know they had that. I thought it was just this. I never go really to the graphic quality stuff. Camera mode, follow. There! Perfect. Okay. Now let's see. So right here would be a good place to put like this. I like making little outline patterns because, you know, they just give your boat a little zing to it. You guys don't find that good? Just say. I'll put a link to this game so you can check it out. I'll also put a link to another one of my favorite games, and then that will probably be it. One thing well, there is one more link I'm gonna, yeah? Hold on, guys. What? Good? I'm making a YouTube video. I'm gonna bring my computer down. Guys, my dad's been calling me. Since battery spot's fine. Ugh. Zoom in. Zoom in. Darn. Okay, we gotta just add. Hold on.
A funny video.
What?
Are you making a funny video?
No. I'm playing Build a Boat for Treasure.
Oh, your YouTube video, you said.
Yeah, I'm making one. I didn't say I was watching one.
I know, so you can make a YouTube video of you playing a game?
Yeah, you gotta download YouTube Gaming.
Oh.
How do you think people do those gaming videos?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't ever watch that stuff. Hey.
Well, of course you don't.
We're gonna be cleaning up dinner. Before we do that, do you want to eat something?
I guess so. I couldn't eat while making the video. I put a few cannons there, and now I don't know what to do with them.
What is it?
I put like 2 little cannons down here, and they're really only a good use for shooting.
Dinner time!
Why the heck
You
did
want
you
some
do that,
lasagna?
Brayden?
No!
Really?
And guys, I have one quick question for you. In the comments, say if
Thank you for
you
giving us
enjoyed
breakfast this morning.
Build a Boat for Treasure.
Oh, wait
Say
a
in the
minute.
comments
Didn't you just leave it on the grass?
if
No.
you enjoyed the game
I
Build a Boat for Treasure
I put it
or
in the
not.
trash can.
I bet most
I
of you
put it in the
will
trash.
not enjoy it at first touch, but once you play for a while, you're going to have fun in it. I guarantee you.
Okay.
It's good.
Why did you do that anyway?
I was gonna miss the bus.
You were at
I'm
the
just
bus
getting
stop
a
with
glitch.
plenty of time, and you know
No.
it. You didn't rush to get the bus. It would have taken you an extra 10 seconds to walk over there. Please don't do
Come
that.
on.
Okay? Yes, Dad.
Oh, I know what I got to do.
You're the greatest dad.
You're the greatest dad.
There. It's there.
I didn't
You
open
did not.
it.
I know.
I didn't
That's
open
it?
it.
You can have it, but I'm just saying that's going to be the absolute end.
It's there.
Hey, you guys all got mail.
Yeah.
Everybody did?
Well, it's all like to one person.
Then how could everybody get one?
Oh, Randy Hazelburn. Well, I guess it's for all of us, but I'm gonna open it.
Oh, I need to add a little platform here. There. It's there. Now. Come on. Okay, there. Yeah, there they are. Oh, wait. One more block. Yes, I built
Are
this.
you the only one on your team?
Yes, other people just launch and then take my work and say that they built it.
I thought that was your road.
Come on.
You me?
Perfect. Okay, I still got 5. And what would look a little good is if I put these here. Yeah, it would look very good. It's probably getting very boring right now. I'm gonna put this here. So with what I have right now, I'm just gonna save and then go. I also might want to move this seat up higher.
Let's save it.
Brand, these are the car parts.
Oh, we're making a video.
Yeah.
How come
Wait.
it shows that?
Because my view thing has not been working well. Ugh.
So they can't see. We can't see them.
No, they can't see us. Do you have a brain? Okay, we're gonna go in 3, 2, 1, go! Ho. Look. Oh no, it isn't working. Whatever, I'm just gonna blast. What? My blocks are too heavy. Oh, well. I may let you see this in a future video. I'm just gonna.
I would sit.
No, he said do get out. Why? I'm making a YouTube Okay. No. Okay, whatever. They're probably not even gonna believe me. And guys, he said just get in. Now. Me? Just say it. Where? How? I can't. I'm going through their blocks. Hey.
Monster.
How the heck did they do that? Mom, I know you're right next to me. Oh, I'm dead. What?
Hey, Mom, can I download Instagram?
No. Quit thinking you're so special, Braden.
Can I?
For what?
Because he thinks he
So
deserves
I-
a phone.
So people can subscribe. So people can friend me on Instagram,
For what?
For no reason.
so we can chat.
No.
There's this one.
Thanks for being honest.
There was one girl on my old server that was 1 year older than me.
Really?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Because I said she was saying one thing. I was like, I don't understand what you're saying. I'm a kid. I'm 9, and she's like,
Why?
I can say my age, Braden,
It's not good to.
and you're not good.
I know I'm not gonna. Great.
And then she said that she was 1 year younger than me. Okay, guys, like I said, I have to move this ball up top. Ugh. Guys, we're gonna retry this. This thing has a lot of weight, so that's why I was going so slow. But it's very sturdy. So let's add this little chair here.
Some rockets. Rockets.
Why do I care about rockets?
Save.
I'm not even launching. I don't even have the steering wheels. Well, not steering wheels, but like steering wheels. Because these things turn. But you have to be sitting in the driver's seat to turn them.
Oh, you hungry, boo?
Okay. Oh yeah, you guys are doomed. Guys, look at the chat menu. We are doomed. It would be more capable of you being a better person if you said we are. Well, we were instead of we are were. That would be better. You should say that instead of we are. What's a better word?
What is?
Okay,
Or-
before you guys get tired,
Where you mean? We.
before you guys
Oh.
get tired, I want you to make sure your
Okay,
religion bags
whatever.
are put away.
Ainsley is the only one. Hers is in the car.
I'm not going on any treasure hunts for them again.
It's in the car.
Yeah, but I'm telling everybody to put them in the closet, to put them away.
That was just next week. That's all right.
What?
Boom, boom.
Furthering your
Okay.
cause. Hey, hold on 1 second. How did your tests go today?
Oh no, I didn't get the grade yet.
Hang on. I'm not. Look. That's gonna wait a minute. Did you ever end up doing what you said you were gonna do? The homework?
Yeah, I finished that.
That sheet that we had.
The math, no. He told me he didn't know where it was.
Yeah, and then when we're going over it, she said we had a few minutes, and then I found it in my work in progress folder. I was gonna have something else, and then when I finished it, I found it.
So you did it at school?
Yeah, I did. We had like 5 minutes till we were
lucky
gonna
duck.
go over it. But
You're lucky that you're able to do it that quickly. Not everybody would be able to do it that quickly.
Hey,
It's easy.
thanks.
Can I
Can you
go
get a hug
back?
real quick?
Oh,
Oh, come on, give me a hug.
I want to touch your nose.
Don't hug.
I want to squeeze
Hey,
your nose.
come on. She's your mother. Give her a kiss.
I don't want him to give me this. I want to give him a kiss.
Stop it, Keenan. One kiss is not the end of the world.
Yes, it is.
Now, Brayden can get up from there. Can you? I don't know if I could do that. Do it again. Get up. Wow. That's impressive.
It's horrendous. He can't even handle his.
You done eating?
Oh yeah. Oh guys, looks like Brayden's playing. Brayden, do not launch until I say, okay?
Oh, look.
You can build a bit of it,
Look
but
what I am.
you're a member. Oh yeah, I forgot you joined the club. I don't care. I'm already a member. It's Friday. It's Friday. Obviously. Brandon, do you want to be cannon operator?
Cannon operator.
Yeah, cannon operator. You don't want to? Well, I'm the driver, Brandon. Because it's my boat. So, guys, wouldn't it make sense for me to be the driver since I made the boat?
Well, because I like.
Go make yourself a seat? Sure.
Thanks.
I suggest you use a weak seat. Because remember,
Look how far
we're on the
back
third
that sofa's
floor.
been pushed again. Are you guys running?
Also,
Come over here. They don't care. She just doesn't even listen.
and Brandon, stay out of the driver's seat.
Please stop running and jumping on the sofa. Do you see how far
Ugh.
back? Look! All of you!
Oh, jeez.
Look at how far away the sofa is from the carpet.
You know what
You have to stop running and jumping on it. You're
The legs
pushing it.
that are on the hardwood floor scratch the hardwood floor.
And you're pulling apart the sofa.
Get up, girl.
It's going to be all
Get
torn
up.
up like the sofa upstairs. Stop. Please, pick up that bag right there and put it in the closet. Have you guys put your religion bags in the closet?
Yes.
Even you.
Angelus is in the car.
Wait, kid, you can watch.
No, I have to get some work done first.
Get up. I gotta move that.
Me.
Can you get up for a minute? Get up. Get up.
I am up.
Everyone, look at where the carpet is right now. To the sofa. See, it's like really close. That's where we want. Ainsley, get up. Ainsley, get up. Yeah. Little girl. Little girl. Stresses me out.
Stop climbing on the sofa. Didn't we just discuss this?
Did she just do it right now?
No, she's hanging on the back of it.
Look up the couch. I want to get this. That's like man stuff over here. Ainsley, come over here. And Berlin, come over here and pick up this part of the couch. Keep going. Look that. Okay, then. Thank you. Thank you for this.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Get off of me. Berlin, leave him alone. Leave him alone.
We're friends.
Hey guys, we're turning the TV off. This house is an absolute disaster.
Okay,
And
guys.
nobody ever
I'm
wants to
sorry,
clean up anything.
but I'm
Nobody,
gonna save this.
nobody cleans up anything.
Hey
Sorry.
guys, make sure to subscribe.
Get up.
Leave a like if you're new in the description. I am going to put put where the game is and my profile. I'm sorry, but there won't be enough room for 3 links. But make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and we will see you later. Let me just stop the video. P-E-A-C-E